Hi there. I know in Q2 2025, that is the month of April, May, and June, you had the thought of opening a money market fund account. But as you scrolled your favorite social media, you came across a video of someone talking about money market funds, and you made the decision of visiting the comment section so that you can get the views of your fellow Kenyans. And it is that point you found a keyboard warrior who had typed saying that a money market fund is useless and we should focus on opening a real business. Now, here we are in the second month of Q3 2025. You are yet to open that business, and the small capital that you had is yet to earn a single shilling in terms of interest because it is lying in your savings account in a commercial bank somewhere. I want us to see the changes that has happened in the collective investment schemes within the Q2, and then we decide whether next time you should make an emotional decision or a logical decision. Welcome to Finance Focus with Andrew, platform where we engage in conversation that endeavor to enhance our financial literacy. And in this video, we are getting some insights from the report that has been released by the Capital Market Authority that's concerned the collective investment schemes for Q2 2025. Now, here are the two main changes that I want us to focus on, and we see the kind of noise that I see on social media of people talking ill of these collective investment schemes. And when I talk about collective investment schemes, the main collective investment scheme that everyone knows is money market fund, but we have others like the special funds, the equity funds, and the balanced funds. Now, the kind of fight that is there in the social media about collective investment schemes, I would not expect them to grow even by an inch. But is it that people are fighting these things on social media, but on the background, they are pumping money in there? I want us to see the kind of money that people pumped in the collective investment schemes in Q2 2025. Now, the total assets under management, that is by all the fund managers by the end of Q1 2025, was 496.2 billion. But the amount that the assets that were under management by the end of Q2 2025 was 596.3 billion. So it means that the same people talking ill about collective investment schemes in social media pumped 100.1 billion in 3 months to the collective investment schemes. Now, you are there making an emotional decision just because someone talked ill about money market fund, about special fund, about equity fund, about balanced fund in a comment section, but people are still pumping money in there. Now, let's go to the famous collective investment schemes that it is the most talked about, and it is also the most fought, or it is the most that a group of people are really against it, saying that it is useless. Now, that is the money market fund. We all know about it. We have seen a lot of people talking about it, and similarly, you have seen a lot of people fight it. What are the kind of changes that went on in the money market fund field as far as Q2 2025 is concerned? Now, here are the figures. By the end of Q1 2025, that is 31st March 2025, the assets that were under management in money market funds of all the fund managers that are licensed were 319.7 billion. And by the end of Q2 2025, that is 30th June 2025, the assets that were under management for money market funds were 372.8 billion. So that is a growth of 53.1 billion. Now, you might think that people are not opening money market funds account because each and every other day you will find someone talking about money market funds in the comment section. But just know that in 3 months, that is April, May, and June, Kenyans pumped 53.1 billion into money market fund. This is money that is earning some interest against inflation. Your money is left lying idle in your savings account, probably being even charged a monthly fee just because someone talked ill about money market funds. You should now decide whether you continue making an emotional decision or you get to look at the figures and what people are doing and make a logical decision. What do you think has contributed to the growth of the collective investment schemes, and especially the money market fund that is the biggest collective investment scheme? Would you recommend, are you in a money market fund? Are you in any collective investment scheme, and would you recommend it to anyone? Let's engage in the comment section.